In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the control bar in Microsoft Teams meetings. Now, if you've ever been in a Teams meeting, you know that the control bar appears whenever you move your mouse or tap your trackpad. This can be a bit distracting, especially if you're trying to focus on a presentation or engage with the meeting content without any interruptions. So let's dive right into how you can manage this little feature. During a meeting, if you want the control bar to disappear, the first thing you need to do is simply stop moving your mouse. That's right, just take your hands off the mouse or trackpad and let it be. Now you might need to wait for a few seconds, but soon enough you'll notice that the control bar will automatically hide itself. This allows for a cleaner, less cluttered viewing area and can help maintain your focus on the meeting's content. But here's the catch, and it's an important one to note. Teams doesn't currently offer a manual hide switch that allows you to keep the control bar hidden permanently. It is always triggered by any movement from your mouse or keyboard activity. So if you move your mouse again or perform any sort of keyboard action, the control bar will reappear. While it might seem inconvenient, this automatic feature prevents you from losing quick access to vital meeting controls, ensuring that they're always just a mouse move away. Although this might not be the permanent solution some users are hoping for, understanding this dynamic can certainly aid those looking to streamline their focus during meetings. So, a handy tip here is to practice keeping your mouse or trackpad steady when you don't need the control bar. It's a simple behavioral adjustment, but with practice, it becomes second nature and can significantly enhance your meeting experience. And there you have it. While Microsoft Teams doesn't currently provide an option to permanently hide the control bar, knowing how to make it disappear when necessary can help you maintain a clearer view and enhance your meeting productivity. We hope this little tip was helpful to you and that it gives you a better Teams meeting experience. If you have any other questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy meeting!